Hola guapas, hi, I'm Ere and I'm just here to explain about how and why we do these products. Why do we talk about sustainability and what we're doing about it? We've been filming a few series to explain, and I think this is one of the most exciting ones for me. When we're looking at clean beauty and sustainable beauty, as designers, and when we develop a product, there's always these changes when we just do something that is better for the environment, cannot always be exact. For example, a lot of the industry in hospitality is developing really different straws. So sometimes the straws, they don't last as long as the cocktail and they start going, woo, because they're not plastic anymore. But we're okay with that, aren't we? Because we want the earth to be better. So let's try to understand how simple beauty, it gets to have more fun with us and the way we use it, the way we spread it, the way we keep it in our bags, because at the end, it's just a beautiful product. We just launched a few weeks ago the beautiful Coco Crayons. It's something really interesting. First of all, the range is actually quite small. We're just doing 6 shades. We're trying to create the most beautiful essentials for all skin tones that really help to embrace your beauty instead of hiding it, really to help you to give that femininity that we like these days, still give you the confidence, the power of color. I think it's a beautiful product. They're quite rich as well, and the formulas are absolutely beautiful. The textures are so soft and incredible. So I'm truly very, very proud with us and our team about how we create this product. I'm going to show you how beautiful it is. This is wild. It's completely made out of wood. So this is what we call zero waste beauty. It's incredible. So you have the one crayon that can last for very long. We're saving ourselves from having a powder, maybe a creamy cheek product. You can have something color in the eye. We can still have other beauty, but I think essential is good that we are reducing waste along. We're taking our time to little by little recreate our brand and maybe even make it even better than how it is today. This is the most important thing for us as a brand. We're talking a lot about our heritage, about why we started this, and we have every day to remind ourselves what we're here. The really, truly goal of this company is to create beauty that is truly sustainable and beautiful and actually helps your beauty with very, very beautiful ingredients that are not in danger, that have dignity. Ingredients with dignity means we're talking about something simple, like cocoa oil, beautiful coconut oil. We're talking about things like carrots and beetroots, things that are all on your pantry, that are not in danger, that are not too fancy, but are so good for you and rich in antioxidants and nutrients. At the moment, the most important thing for me as well is that are efficacious. Your skin is the most beautiful and biggest organ that you can see and absorbs everything. So we got rid of the ingredients. Now, the stage, now we're all healthy, everybody's doing exercise, as some of us already changing our diet, our habits, all for the good of the earth. To be sustainable, we have to do it, all of us, an individual effort. So this is our effort as a company. We're changing this beautiful product that I love so much. I have a few in my house because I know this has to change. And what we did, we learned, and we moved to this incredible balm who has only one lid. There's no plastic in here, it's only one material. So this is only aluminum, and this is helping easier recycling. So in this other side, we have the one product who still has a few inside. So a lot of the things today about refillables has that problem as well. You have to refill the product inside another container, and then you end up with plastic, aluminum, and the bullet inside. We have to be so smart and really change the ways we think to come up with something new. So I invite fellow brands and people who's watching this video, we need to just keep thinking how we can help the earth with the products we made. In this case, Ere Perez Cosmetics is trying to have an evolution. So we have no plastic, no aluminum, completely zero waste and biodegradable. And we have the lid, which is 2 inches, so you can recycle. Very proud of this. Aluminum and glass are one of the most important resources because they are infinitely recycling. Plastic has a certain couple of rounds that you can actually do it. Now we have this material called PCR, which is post-consuming plastic as well. So in this case, this is even 2 inches, so you're meant to have anything in aluminum. For example, when we're at home and we have a product like a yogurt or butter or products that have an aluminum lid, why is our duty is to get this little lid, make it a little round ball, And then like that, you can actually recycle it. Most of countries, some of them, not all of them, they recycle aluminum pretty well, but to do it, the particles need to be bigger. So if there was a tiny bit of aluminum, it's very hard to do it. When I finish my tin, I put all the lovely little leads of aluminum in the tin so they can be disposed properly and don't create more rubbish, but actually help to be recycled in the future. This is something that we're very proud of it. The product, it needs to be married with a beautiful sharpener. The sharpener is something that I say to my team, we need to educate people. If we really want the earth to be better, this is our individual effort for the collective good. This is made out of resin, so it's really interesting. It's not a plastic sharpener. So that's what we call it, an eco sharpener. It's a beautiful product that is made with love, and this is really helping this crayon to exist. This is the beautiful shades of the Coco Crayons. I just want to explain to you a little bit about the texture. Some of the very strong shades, like Heart, which is a really nice red, Rebel, a beautiful mauve, really trendy and really classic as well. At the same time, it looks good in all skin tones, it's beautiful. Then we have Wild, one of my favorites. It's just really nice and strong terracotta, vibrant color. These shades are really good, very creamy, they glide really nice. I love them so much. And then we have more of the neutral shades. For some reason, neutral colors who have less of the iron oxides that we use to create the color, they go a little bit softer. So actually really nice because they're really nice on the cheeks and eyes as well. This shade, which we call Brave, is a very browny, yellowy, lovely shade. Then we have Grace, like a lovely neutral nude that looks so nice on cheeks and lips. And then we have Lovely Charm, which is a very easy to wear, peachy, kind of corally color, like had a baby with a nude. It's really easy. So these three shades are absolutely stunning, but the formulas are very creamy. So sometimes you find as you use it that maybe they glide a bit more, and this is because the way where we mix it, some of the colors, the actual mix of shades, the iron oxides we use to get the color, they're actually less strong, so make them more creamy. So some of that you'll find if you are in a very warm climate, maybe the formula can be a little bit more glidey, and this is just gonna make it to be easy to spread, but you can still make a bright color and then seal it with a beautiful comb powder. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite tones, is the one I'm wearing today. This is Wild. The 6 of them are really stunning and easy to wear. So this color has the versatility of it's creamy, so you can smudge it, you can tint it, or you can actually do it really, really powerful. We have the whole richness of the color, and I have a multitask as well, so I can do a beautiful cheek and just smudge it. I can make it even stronger, so that's really nice with my beautiful kabuki, which is vegan and it's made out of wood, and that's why we have this beautiful crayon. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I can explain you another new product in the next session. Thank you, and remember, the best makeup you can wear is your beautiful smile.